Are you building a home in the Philippines? You need to watch this. This video explores important considerations that could save you money and stress during your build. Building a home in the Philippines can come with specific challenges. These issues are not just foolish mistakes. They could impact your future comfort and finances. This first part will highlight mistakes to avoid when constructing your forever home. Let's start with aquifers. Open-bottom septic tanks are a major concern. These tanks pollute aquifers with bacteria, ruining your natural water source. Instead of enjoying free fresh water, you might need to pay for water filtering. Sadly, many wells are now contaminated, and the government is struggling to solve the problem. Next, let's talk about concrete. Often concrete is mixed by hand or with a simple mixer. This can lead to weak slabs and columns. Cold joints and cracking may occur, especially with temperature fluctuations. The solution? Use pre-mixed concrete. However, this option can be expensive and is not widely available. Another issue is spalling. Inadequate concrete cover over rebar causes cracking. If you see rebar outlines in your slab, this is a red flag. It indicates the rebar is poorly spaced and could lead to costly future repairs. Now let's discuss lintels. Wooden lintels are common, but they are a bad choice. Wood rots, shrinks, and is vulnerable to termites. Instead, opt for steel lintels, which are much more durable. Waiting until cracks appear could lead to expensive repairs. In a country prone to earthquakes, problems can escalate quickly. Water pipes installed in walls typically hide leaks well. If a pipe leaks, you may need to chip out concrete to find it. To avoid this hassle, plan pipework to be open and accessible. Lastly, watch out for pipes running through load-bearing columns. This can weaken the structure. There are specific calculations needed to ensure safety. Consulting an expert can prevent costly mistakes. These insights will help you avoid significant building issues. Don't forget the importance of hiring a registered architect. They often provide a 15-year guarantee on their work, ensuring peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more essential building tips. Remember, your dream home should be safe and secure.